Hi guys, welcome back to Next with Steph. I just completed this new door wreath for spring, and I made it with dollar store items and things that I already had around. It's a really quick, easy little project, and I'm going to show you how I made it. If you like this video, click subscribe, and otherwise, let's get going. Let's get started with this. So first, we'll talk about all the things that we're going to need. These are all items that I got from my local dollar store. I got a little welcome sign. I'm going to go with some brown crafter's paint, also dollar store. And I'm using some little craft wire that I picked up at the dollar store a while back. So I've gone ahead and I've cut up a bunch of little pieces of this wire so that it'll be easy for me to use. I'll probably need more pieces and I'll cut them up as I go. I'm running out of this light silver color, but it won't matter. I'll use any of these colors because it's not really going to be visible anyways. And then I've got some leftover ribbon and burlap, sort of like a burlap ribbon that I had at Christmas time. I'm just going to reuse some of these. I think it'll work nicely for a nice natural color scheme. So I'm going to start off with this piece. I'm just going to twist it around the frame here, and I'm going to use this piece of wire to attach this. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the welcome sign. Now, I was going to use this brown paint, but what I've decided is that it looks a little dull and not quite bright enough for the natural tones on the wreath. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, it's a spun gold paint that I also got at the dollar store. So I'm gonna use that, and if I feel like it's still not quite shiny enough, I have a little tube of gold sprinkles that I'm gonna put on it as well while it's still wet. So I'm gonna add this and see how we go. I apologize, I'm sort of making this up as I go along a little bit.